sky color over here. And this could change. This is really what I call the block in. So things are subject to change. And I'm going to go ahead and make some greenish shapes. And notice how I'm using my brush flatly. So we're not, I'm not actually painting trees, but when I make little strokes like this, remember I said we don't want parallel shapes, parallel boring shapes especially. I think this one could just come right out into the light, into this light that I'm going to have out here. And this will, some of these will catch light. Now also, an important thing in doing something like this, think about combining shapes. What I want you to do, to try to do, is to pretend like you are laying snow on this branch. Just visualize it and know I'm not losing it. I really want you to try to do that, because that way you're going to follow the form of the branch. If you mess with it too much, you're going to overwork it, but it won't hurt to do a few things over if you don't like them. So just don't be scared. Just start laying this on here. So it looks like it's snow laying on a branch. If you have it real thin, it's not going to look like snow does. So think about snow. Snow is soft. Snow does not have a whole lot of hard edges, unless it's ice, I guess. So think about what you're painting. I always tell my students that. You've got to think about what you're laying the paint on. What contour does it have? I'm going to visualize a dark branch coming out, the darker snow on a branch that's coming out supporting this, and I'm going to make it just slightly darker as it goes up into the tree. And this adds a little more realism to it. Piles of snow or anything like that, I'm just kind of adding to those that are there. I'm trying to think where else. How about right here? While I've got the dark on my brush, another thing I can do, put some right down there. And I'm going to very carefully lay this on. I'm going to plan to use some orange with white in it, and I'm going to use also some yellow with white in it for this. Probably my Cad Lemon, because it's so light. It's a light yellow. And what I want to do is come right up to, let's just say these branches are coming down into the snow, and the light is coming, slamming into that tree. And then it'll go maybe behind it a little bit and over here and come out the other side. Just to kind of cool it off back here. See the difference in that? I don't want it to be as warm as on the tree. It'll call too much attention. So back here, we want to start getting into that nice misty background that we do. And make some little places where, you know how snow has, well, it goes over little rocks and stuff, and it has little bumps and lumps in it, and we can use that to our advantage. And then I can go out here, and I told you I was going to get rid of that white,